40 years old, I noticed my hairline was really starting to thin, and I was starting to panic. So I found a hair restoration surgeon, world-renowned guy, right here in Florida. So I went to him and I had the transplant. I spent a lot of money, and he told me, you really should protect your investment. And by doing that, I want you to get this Capillus laser cap. And what it's gonna do, it's gonna stop the hair from falling out that you already had with the surgery. Plus, it's gonna help other hair come in thicker and more fuller, like when you were younger. Being a celebrity stylist, I have access to the best of the best. So if I choose Capillus, you should too. FDA approved, clinical results, you're gonna love your hair.
Oh, we love having Martino as part of our beauty report, and you just heard it from his mouth. I mean, this is what he uses, and he could use anything.
Yeah.
It's such an honor to sit next to Barry Pintar, who's not only a user of this product, but has shared the good news about Capillus. This is an FDA-cleared device, ladies. It's a one-time purchase. You've got over 200 lasers inside of this.
202.
202, and we're going to give you a 6-month money-back guarantee. And I don't care what plastic surgeon's office you go to see, where you will find Capillus. You'll even find them in the Delta magazine. I noticed that last time I was flying back from Vegas. I was like, well, there they are. Nobody offers the price that we have. This is your final chance and our final quantity to save you $300 on where 6 minutes a day, and you're so worth this, 6 minutes a day, we are going to regrow that hair with 180 days. Think about it. That's a 6-month money-back guarantee. That's till February.
I know, isn't that awesome?
February next year to grow your hair.
Through the holidays, have hair for the holidays. Isn't that exciting?
Think about that.
Yeah, and here's the thing, Amy, that as you know, I've sat with thousands of men and women who are suffering from hair loss. And it was my job when they came into this very large medical facility to give you your options and help you understand what options are real and what aren't. Because look, I get it. There is nothing worse than not knowing what to do about from here up when you walk out the door. Every single day you can change your makeup, you can change your clothes, but this is always, as you can see, hair loss runs in my family. I started when I was 20. I did not have this technology. Boy, do I wish I had, but my young family members, my kids are on it now. But here's the thing you have to understand. I know you've tried things. I know you felt like you've been taken advantage of because they've gone nowhere. But the bottom line is the medical community has advanced technology to the point where we can say this is an FDA-cleared medical device, professional strength, that doctors offer to their patients that you can now have for use in the privacy of your own home for only 6 minutes a day to, Amy, the FDA allows me to say this, help to stop hair loss and help to cause hair regrowth.
So we're preventing and encouraging. That's the most important thing. You may say, yeah, my hair's kind of okay. Well, my part's getting a little bit bigger. Or you look at your mom and your dad, that's gonna be you. Honestly, that's what it's gonna be. So many of us are saying, what do I do to prevent it? Or maybe you're masking it right now. And you're doing a lot of teasing and a lot of back combing and things like that to hide where your hair's thinning. Let's stop masking and really addressing. Do you see right there, it says 180 days. 180 days, that's 6 months. That's till February 2020. We're gonna give you risk-free. We want you to try this because your hair grows on a cycle. It's gonna take a couple of months before you really start to see that hair growing back, but you will.
Yeah.
That's why this is an FDA-cleared device to prevent and regrow. Capillus is the leaders. They're the only ones with over 200 lasers. With results like this, and when you look at this gentleman, obviously he's in his probably 20s or 30s. This is when we start to see the change.
Yeah, and you know what? This is amazing because this is Daniel. And again, I've sat with thousands of people like Emmanuel, Mary, Joey, Yvette, tons of them. Daniel would come into my office and just say, what can I do to stop my hair from falling out, in a panic? And I was able to tell him that we now have the technology to not only really stop your hair from falling out, really help to stop your hair from falling out, but actually regrow it. I mean, look at Daniel 6 months later. He was thrilled just to have his hair stop falling out. Now he has regrown his real hair that he can cut, color, perm, whatever. Look at Yvonne, okay? Yvonne is another person, a lady who would come to my office, a very typical pattern. Ladies, if you suffer from androgenic alopecia, if you don't know what that means androhumogenic. inherited alopecia, hair loss. Very typical pattern. The part gets wider and wider and wider. This person would typically come in saying, my part's getting wider. I'm combing over. There's nothing I can do. I can't highlight my hair. Good news, we can actually help to stop and regrow it. Here's Lester 3 months later. You can see he's just starting, which is, Amy, why HSN and Capillus have partnered to give you 6 months, because it will take that. Because, again, we can't say it enough. You're growing real hair. This isn't cosmetic. This isn't a quick fix. This is you growing your real hair.
Think about that. I've never heard of an offer where you have 6 months to regrow your hair. It's going to work. I mean, we wouldn't be sitting here and selling this. You wouldn't see it in all the major magazines and plastic surgeons and doctors talking about Capillus if it didn't work. So today, you get to stop masking and regrow your hair. Today, we're saving you $300. Look, I know this is an investment. It really is. It's $16.99, but we're gonna save you $300 right off the top, and Capillus is never on sale. You put this on for 6 minutes a day. That's it.
Can I talk about that $16.99 too?
Yes, absolutely.
Because here's the thing.
Okay.
Folks may say, wait, I saw a laser product that was like $399. It's important that you understand that this is the professional strength that you'd get in a doctor's office. So that thing you saw for $399 was 8 lasers and a comb-looking brush thing, okay? Then you may have seen something for $799 that was 40 lasers, both of them you hold and move and hold and move and hold and move, whatever the case. This is the 202 professional grade laser, professional strength, that exactly what your doctor would give to you, to the point, Amy, where I say, look, if you're not sure, I say get it home.
Right.
Call your derm's office. You don't even have to make an appointment. Say, can I talk to the nurse? Hey, they said this low-level laser therapy is actually a real, genuine medical solution. I think you'll find he or she will say, yes, go for it. It's a perfect solution.
And especially when this is it's never on sale. This is never at $16.99. Try it. It's $283 a month on your credit card. We're giving you till February next year to see that hair grow. If it doesn't, you send it back, no questions asked.
Yeah.
But you just heard from Martino Cartier talking about how after he had his hair plugs done, and I remember him telling me, Amy, I'm gonna get it done. And I remember him even saying, way before Capillus was here at HSN, this is what he was using to maintain it and to regrow hair. So again, he's one of thousands of people who've trusted this. Take a listen to Dr. Dines, because she's also a physician who has used this, who recommends this to her patients, and listen to her results.
My name is Dr. Adrienne Dines. I'm a medical doctor. I also have a PhD. 2 years ago, I began to see a profound change in the quality of my hair. I have started to use Capillus, and I find it effective. It is very important for me that Capillus is FDA cleared. You put it on your head, you turn it on, one button, and you're done.
Think about that in 6 minutes. So that means while you're washing the dishes, checking your email, even brushing your teeth, making the bed in the morning. Because you can move around with this on, and it's just like a baseball cap. So think about it. You have over 200 lasers. Not like you said, not 20, not 40. You've got over 200 lasers. So what this is doing is regrowing hair and preventing hair loss. You use this, your husband uses this. So let's talk about what this is for, how, well, actually, what we can expect hair-wise, and how quickly it's gonna happen.
Awesome, awesome questions. Okay, so what this does is it regrows follicles. You know, follicles are what a lot of people call a root, okay? We're born with healthy of them. When you have that genetic predisposition to lose them, you've seen it in mom and aunts and grandmas, they get smaller and smaller and they die, okay? Once they die, they're dead and gone forever. There's nothing that you can do. So what we want to do is catch them before they die and make them healthy again. As a matter of fact, take a look at this animation. It will explain it to you clearly, okay? There's a healthy follicle, or a root as many people call it. See it getting smaller? It's on its way to death permanently.
Oh no.
Sounds tragic, but it's true. That's what permanent baldness is. So here comes this very specific color spectrum of light that's going to reach down safely to the follicle, stimulate the cells in that follicle, and actually regrow it to the farthest point it can regrow to its healthiness. So what this means, because we want to make sure you understand who this is for and who this is not for. If you have permanent baldness, and we know what that is, that's shiny, there's not a hair to be found, this product is not for you, because what we're doing is treating the factories of hair production, the follicles or the root. However, if you have fine, baby, peach fuzz, some hairs thick and fine, some are tiny. There are hairs there that you cannot even see, meaning there are follicles there that this is so perfect for. Again, I know you've tried this, I know you've tried that, I know you spent money on this, I know you spent money on that. This is a real medically recognized FDA cleared product. And there's what the ladies see when they look in the mirror, right?
I know.
We've seen it. It's tragic. It's hard, it's heartbreaking, it's buy a new scarf this year, it's do I wear a hat, I'm not going to that party, it's a bad hair day every day. But ladies, there is a medical solution and it's before you right now. The part gets wider and wider and wider. And by the way, the clock is ticking. This is a progressive problem. You want to catch it as soon as possible. If you're in that blue, here's the great news for you. You can stop the loss first, and then you can actually regrow and fill that in like we saw in Yvonne's before and after. When we look at guys, this is called the Norwood scale, same type of thing. 1 and 2, they're doing great. The blue, not so good, but we can catch it in time. We can stop that loss and actually help to regrow that hair.
Think about that. So many of us can relate to those. Maybe that's your husband in that. You know, and wouldn't you love to boost his confidence and your confidence? So I think it's important to stress, there is nothing like Capillus on the market, unless you go see a plastic surgeon.
No, that's true. It is respected. Doctors all the time call it the Cadillac, the best technology out there. We're not making that up. It is genuinely respected as the best.
It's true. And if you want to pick up the best at the best value, you have it here today. It's 6 minutes. My 6 minutes are up, okay? Now I'm gonna start it all over again, just so everybody can see what the hat's gonna look like. But you have 6 minutes, that's all you have to wear it for. So if you are someone right now and you're suffering and you're looking at your hair, you can see your scalp, right? And you're putting on all the different sprays and anything to kind of cover, and you're trying to mask it. It's tough. I see it in my mom. I see what she goes through. You know, you don't have to suffer anymore. This has never been at-home use at this price until now. So give us a call. Like I said, we take every major credit card. Talk to your network representative. We're gonna give you till February 2020 to use this. That's 6 months, because it does take a while for hair to grow back. And we want you to see that hair grow back. So we want you to take this challenge, because we understand it's an investment and you need to know that it's working. So here today, let us save you that $300. This is the lowest price anywhere, with over 200 lasers, not 40, not 20, whatever.
Professional grade.
Professional grade. That's FDA cleared. So take the challenge. See if that hair grows back. Wouldn't it be nice not have to worry about your hair falling out? Looking in the mirror and saying, my gosh, my hair's thicker. Oh my gosh, when you go to get your hair done, they're saying to you, what'd you do differently? I don't see that bald spot in the back of your head.
It usually is the family and friends who will tell you first.
Absolutely.
We're looking at ourselves. And you will be so excited to hear people actually start complimenting on your hair. I hear these stories every day. They're a dime a dozen. It really, really does happen. I get it. The holidays are coming up and you're already planning on running from all those cameras. If you get this at home in the next week and start it, your friends and family, I can almost assure you from my experience, this holiday season will start commenting on how much better your hair looks with this FDA cleared device. And let me explain that real quickly, because remember, you heard Dr. Dinesh talk about the fact that she loved this as FDA cleared. FDA cleared means 2 things have to be proven to the FDA about this technology to get that clearance. Number 1, efficacy, meaning it's effective, it will do what it says it will do. If this did not do what we say it will do, the FDA would not give it that clearance. But number 2, you also have to prove to the FDA through human clinical trials safety. If this did not safely do what it says it will do, the FDA wouldn't give that clearance. So the bottom line is this, and this is what I explained to people when I sat with them, because I get it, you're gun shy. You've tried this, you've tried that. You're probably at the point where you've given up and accepted this is who I am. You don't have to. You really can do something to stop that thinning hair, and you got 6 months to do it. There's really no gamble here. That's why I love what HSN is doing here. You can get it home. If you're not sure, get it home, call your dermatologist. Like I said, he or she will almost certainly say, yes, do it. Give it 6 months, give it a shot. Look what Mary's doing. This is how simple it is to use, by the way.
Yeah, it doesn't burn, there's no sting, there's no pain, there's no nothing with this.
Yeah, push that one button. Mary has begun her treatment right now. She's getting the treatment.
She's getting
it will turn
treatment.
itself off in 6 minutes.
In 6 minutes. We have a lot of you ordering it right now, a lot of you asking questions. In fact, Adrian on Facebook just ordered one. I think so many of us are frustrated and we don't know what to do. And we waste a lot of money and time. And then we depress ourselves and we look in the mirror and we're like, oh gosh. Oh God, you know, how many times do you say something negative about that thinning hair? How often is it that your husband's like, don't look at my bald spot, don't, you know. It's something we deal with every day and we beat ourselves up over it every day. So if you're tired of that cycle and you really want to change it, this is your chance, it is your last chance, and we never have it at $300 off. Just try it until February 2020, no questions asked. In fact, take a listen to Martino. You've watched him here at HSN. He's an amazing character. He's got a vivacious personality. He lives life to the fullest, and he could have used anything, but he uses Capillus. And take a listen.
My name is Martino Cardi, celebrity stylist. When I turned 40 years old, I noticed my hairline was really starting to thin, and I was starting to panic. So I found a hair restoration surgeon, world-renowned guy, right here in Florida. So I went to him and I had the transplant. I spent a lot of money and he told me, you really should protect your investment. And by doing that, I want you to get this Capillus laser cap. And what it's gonna do, it's gonna stop the hair from falling out that you already had with the surgery. Plus, it's gonna help other hair come in thicker and more fuller, like when you were younger. Being a celebrity stylist, I have access to the best of the best. So if I choose Capillus, you should too. FDA approved, clinical results, you're gonna love your hair.
And you will.
Yeah, you will. We were just saying, what are your options?
Yeah.
You know, aside from trying to style it and cover it and tease it and break it all off, right? What are our options?
If we're, and again, this is something I talk about a lot to the men and women I meet. Ladies, you have 3 medically recognized options, non-surgical, to stop the hair loss and cause hair regrowth. 3, I explain this to you so you don't feel a need to go Google. Please Google what I'm saying, but this is it. A topical that you put on and leave on twice a day. It's repackaged, rebranded many different ways. It's out there all the time. It's been around the longest. You put it on and leave it on twice a day. The other one is a costly, regular visit to the doctor's office for the rest of your life to get injections into your scalp. Both of those you have to buy over and over again. You just do. I respect them. The medical community recognizes them. They work. But here's the thing. The third one, you buy once. These lasers will last 82 years with regular use. You use it 6 minutes a day.
82 years?
Have I never said that? Yeah, that's the crazy thing. These lasers, so people like say bulbs, or have to replace the bulbs. I get those kinds of questions all the time. I get it. No, these are lasers. Again, this is made in the USA, manufactured in the USA with our customer service here in the USA. These lasers, high quality grade, 82 years. So yes.
That's insane.
Yeah, you very well may likely be able to pass this down to your son or daughter.
The nice thing is you can use it, ladies.
6 minutes a day. Yeah.
6 minutes. My 6 minutes just went out. But your husband can use it. That's the nice thing. Everybody in your family right now, maybe you've got, you know, your son who's in his late 30s and he's losing his hair, right? The nice thing is everybody can benefit from using this. Look at that before. You know it's only going to get worse.
And that's 6 months. That's the time period we're giving you. So you can feel confident to get that home, do that 6 months, and look in the mirror. If you don't see that, send it back. But you will. You will. Your friends will probably see it first, like I said.
Absolutely.
But it'll be there.
Look at this before and after.
Look at Yvonne. Look at Yvonne. Very typical. Ladies, your part's getting wider and wider. You are just devastated where you're going to end up. The time clock is ticking. That part will get wider. You need to do something now with a real medical solution. One of 3 that's the easiest, clinically proven to be most effective.
Okay.
All you do is 6 minutes a day. I get
That's
the price tag's a challenge, but the other ones you have to buy for and pay over and over and over again. Buy this once, it's yours, it's gonna last a lifetime.
And that's a nice thing.